As the day unwinds, I take a moment to reflect. What went well? What can I do better? Gratitude fills my heart as I think of the good things. Friends, family, small wins. It's a gentle reminder that life is full of beauty, even in the messy bits. My nighttime routine is my sanctuary. I light a candle, put on soft music, and let the world fade away. It's a time to unwind, recharge, and get ready for whatever tomorrow brings. A good night's sleep is just the beginning. As the city grows quiet, I wrap myself in cozy blankets, dim the lights, and let candles fill the air. With warm tea in hand, I sink into my spot, surrounded by books and dreams. The world fades away. I reflect, plan, and breathe. In this quiet space, I find calm, creativity, and spark. Sunday nights are for self-care. I take a long bath, read a book, or binge watch my favorite show. No plans, no deadlines, just relaxation and rejuvenation. The night has a way of slowing things down. I take a deep breath, let my shoulders drop, and let the quiet in. It's in these moments that I hear myself think, feel, and dream. No distractions, just the gentle rhythm of life. It's here that I recharge, refocus, and find my center. The stars are my reminder that even in darkness, there's beauty. As I settle into the night, I let go of the day's noise. My journal becomes a safe space for thoughts, dreams, and scribbles. With each page, I release what's weighing me down. The world outside may be loud, but in here, it's just me, my thoughts, and the gentle hum of possibility. Curling up with a good book, a warm blanket, and a cup of something soothing. That's my happy place. The pages turn slowly as I get lost in stories and forget the world outside. Sometimes I write, Sometimes I just breathe. Either way, it's me time, and I savor every moment.